Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 403 and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So in this video I'd like to show you two different ways of checking the IMEI number, and I'd like to start with the shortest and the quickest option with the usage of the secret code. So firstly we have to open the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter it. Let's tap on the keypad and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you a longer way to check the IMEI. However, it will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will just forget about it. So let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on About Phone. And here we have to scroll down in order to find the status, so let's tap on it. After scrolling down just a little bit, we can see both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.